In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out from Behance. Start by opening Behance in your browser and navigating to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your avatar or profile picture there. If you haven't set a photo, it may show your initials or a generic icon. Click that avatar to open a small drop-down menu. In that menu, look for the option labeled Logout or Sign Out. Go ahead and select it. Behance will process the request and you should see the page update. A quick way to confirm you are signed out is to check that your avatar no longer appears in the top right and that options like Sign In or Join show up instead. That's your visual cue that the session has ended and your account is no longer active in that browser. If you are still seeing your profile appear after a moment, don't worry, this can happen when your browser is holding onto older session data. In that case, clearing your browser's cache and cookies can help finalize the logout. Clearing cache and cookies removes saved site data and stored login tokens that might otherwise keep you signed in behind the scenes. After doing that, revisit Behance and you should find that you are fully logged out. Keep in mind that clearing cookies may sign you out of other websites as well, so you may need to re-enter your credentials elsewhere later. A few quick tips for peace of mind. Logging out at the end of a session is especially important on shared or public computers to prevent unintended access. If you manage multiple creative accounts, double-check that you've signed out of the correct one by confirming the sign-in screen appears before you leave the page. Also, if you had several Behance tabs open, the site should still respect your logout across all of them once the session ends. You'll simply see Sign in prompts the next time those tabs try to load account-specific content. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.